Hello everyone, I am Pallavi Mukherjee. I am a commerce faculty of Takshila Learning, and today I want to tell you about the globalization and characteristics. But first of all, we should know about us, means I'm talking about the Takshila Learning. Takshila Learning is an online education portal to facilitate the knowledge and professional skills through practical education system and easily accessible mode so that everybody can have the chance to qualify the today's competitive world. So why we will choose the Takshila Learning? Just see. Why Takshila Learning? Because it has lot of qualities and lot of benefits. Study anytime, anywhere and on any device. Best quality recorded videos using interesting PowerPoint presentations. Flowchart, tablets and diagrams are used in the video for better understanding to the students. Short tips and tricks videos for enhancing learning speed. Unlimited videos of lecture to ensure that the student grasps all the concepts easily. Doubt solving session via WhatsApp, email or through phone calls. 100% updated lectures as well as 100% updated syllabus. Webinars for discussing tips and important topics. Technical assistance for using online, offline classes, complete end-to-end courses for all subjects. Focus teachers to provide best learning to students, daily update on current affairs via websites and YouTube live streaming. That's why you have to choose Takshila Learning. Now we will go to the topic, that is a globalization. So globalization means it is a process of rapid integration or interconnection between countries. Means this is a continuous process of connection between two countries or more than two countries. There is one more way through which countries are becoming closer to each other and the freely movement of goods and services and jobs connections and all. So we can say that when all the countries are connected to each other and they are doing some kind of businesses by the interconnection of each other, we can say that this is a globalization. So if we talk about the globalization, first of all, we will go to the liberalization. Liberalization means liberal to all the rules and restriction. In New Economic Policy 1991, introduced the liberalization first. Liberalization when all the public industries were failed to do all the growth and progresses, then the government got liberalized to all the rules and regulation for the growth of the economy. सो लिबरलाइजेशन का मतलब होता है कि लिबरलाइजेशन में हम सारे रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस को फॉलो नहीं करते, लिबरल हो जाते हैं उसके लिए, जिससे कि हमारे यहाँ का जो एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट और ट्रेड है वो दूसरे कंट्रीज के साथ इजीली मूव हो सके और उससे इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ भी हो. फ्री ट्रेड मीन्स इजीली ट्रेडिंग बिटवीन टू और मोर कंट्रीज. सारे कंट्रीज अपने लिए मार्केट्स को ओपन कर देते हैं और उसके अकॉर्डिंग वहां पे फ्री ट्रेड स्टार्ट हो जाता है, जिससे इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ होती है. ग्लोबलाइजेशन ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी मींस वर्ल्ड वाइड process about the economic activities, the production process, the marketing, the selling, everything should be globalized. सब कुछ globalized हो जाता है और एक दूसरे से interconnected होते हैं सारी countries और सबके market सबके लिए खुले रहते हैं. Connectivity, if we talk about the connectivity, definitely the society will connect to each other. The countries, people will connect to each other. The harmony will made between each other. So we can say that the connectivity is a very, very good, important characteristics of the globalization. If we talk about borderless, definitely the borders will be no matter in the globalization because all the markets of the globe is open to each other, open for each other. So we can do the trade easily between two countries or more than two countries. So there is a global borderless globe. A multi-dimensional process. We can say that this is a multi-dimensional process, means our technology, our sales, our country bondings, everything will be connected to the globalization, and due to globalization only it can be happen for our economic growth. So if we talk about the benefits of globalization, definitely this is a very beneficial for our country growth, our economic growth, because if the market will be large and huge, means here is a market, here market is the entire globe, entire what we can say, that entire globe or entire nation, or the between two or more countries. So we can say that the cost of production will be low in this case, and we will get the goods and services at a lower cost. So our profit maximization will be more. Greater innovation means if there will be one or more country, two or more countries, they will use their innovative technologies and services, and we will get more and more good products and services. So this is a very good benefit of the globalization. If we talk about the improved standard of living, definitely if the nation will grow, if the economy will grow, if the globe will grow, it means the worldwide growth and their standard of living will improve only through the globalization. If we talk about the access to the new cultures, definitely when countries will connect to each other, they will adopt their culture, and they will adopt their society rules also, and the harmony and peace will be more in this case of globalization.